Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Royal Moon Tarot. Thank you for tuning in, and if you hear this video, if you're seeing this video right now, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If anything in this video resonates with you, please hit the like button and turn your notification bells on and set it to all. And yeah, thank you for joining. Hello, my air signs. Welcome. I am going to be doing your weekly insight, weekly forecast. You know, see what your energy is going to be like for this week. From the 18th through the 24th. Today is currently the 19th, so I guess it'll be the 19th through the 24th for you. I wasn't able to finish my recording on yesterday, so I had to pick back up today. But all is well. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you see this video. And if anything in this video resonates for you, don't forget to hit the like button. Holy Spirit, I call upon you to come into this reading for my air signs, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Clear messages, anything that they need to know. Clarity or guidance for the week of April the 19th through April the 24th. Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Bottom of the deck, you got the Emperor. Alright, we got the Five of Pentacles. We got the Queen of Wands. I really don't know what one came out first, but I'm going to take this one. We got the Devil. We got the Page of Swords. And we got the Queen of Cups. So, yeah. Earth signs had 3 of these same cards. So somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, or a Capricorn. Don't have to be, but the energy is similar. Alright. So let's see what's going on, air signs. We're going to clarify, try to get some understanding for you about what your energy is currently like, or what's going on for you this week, or what could take place. Alright, we got the Five of Pentacles. Clarify the Five of Pentacles for my Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. The Five of Pentacles. Someone could be feeling left out in the cold. You got the Chariot. You got the Eight of Swords. And you got one more that flipped over. You got the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck. You got the Empress and the Emperor. So, I'm not going to take this card just because I'm just clarifying with this deck. But you got the Empress and the Emperor. So, you could be dealing with someone who basically is your perfect match. Basically, there's someone that you have a strong connection with, strong bond with. It could be someone that you have kids with. But I'm seeing that somebody feels left out in the cold. They're stuck in their head. I feel like they've been putting in a lot of work towards something. And they're ready to move on. They're ready to move forward. This could also be regarding your finances. I feel like there's some financial difficulties that's taking place. And that's having you feeling stuck. I feel like you're now ready to put in the work and move forward. Basically, you're ready to stand in your power again. So, it could be you're ready to start something new. Some type of new business. You're ready to birth something new. You're ready to start something new. So let's keep clarifying. Clarify the Queen of Wands for Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Three of Cups. I'm seeing some type of celebration. So something good is about to take place. If it's not starting this week, it's going to be in the very near future. All readings are timeless. So whenever you see this and it resonates, it's meant for it. Alright. The Queen of Wands with the Three of Cups. Tell me more, Spirit, for Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. And when I say Queen of Wands, Queen of Cups, you can take that as a King of Wands or a King of Cups. Take it how it resonates. If you're a male or female, roles can be reversed. Okay, listen. You got this deal out here again. I'm kind of tired of seeing this card because it's been in a couple of other readings. And then I'm seeing the Ace of Wands. So in order to push forward, you get to this celebration. It could be whatever this business is, or it could be regarding a person. There is some type of negative energy, something that's holding you back, that's keeping you from this new beginning. So there's something that needs to be released, whether this is a mindset, whether this is a person. It needs to be released before you get to this new beginning. But I am seeing a celebration. So yeah, something needs to be released. This may or may not resonate for everybody, but I feel like I'm seeing something about a third party, where somebody has an unhealthy attachment to somebody else. That could be for somebody. It may be for a select few. I don't know. But I'm just seeing that looking at the cards. And this could be an unhealthy sexual type of relationship that somebody has with somebody that needs to be let go. Clarify the devil. Why is the devil here for Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini? Clarify the devil. Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Same cups repeating. You got the Queen of Wands again. You got the Five of Pentacles again. Spirit's like, we're going to get this message out. You got the Ten of Wands and you got Temperance. So there's possibly an unhealthy attachment that someone has to a fire sign. A fire sign or a earth sign. But I feel like someone is ready to release. They're ready to drop this burden. They're being very patient, or there's patience that's needed. But I feel like something needs to be released and let go. And it's possibly an attachment to a fire sign or earth sign. I feel like you have been keeping tabs on this person. Or you may have been trying to possibly figure out some things. Get more information. Basically keeping tabs on the low. I'm also seeing a water sign. So I'm seeing a fire sign, water sign, and an earth sign. Clarify the Page of Swords. Why is the Page of Swords here for Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini? Got a Three of Pentacles. Clarify the Page of Swords with the Three of Pentacles. Okay, I got it. Okay, So someone has been keeping tabs on someone that they want to come together with. You feel like this is the person that you're supposed to be with. This is your wish fulfillment. Someone that you're wishing for. You may be thinking about traveling to this person. Then again, in this card, it's Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio, and Leo. Those signs could be significant. Tell me more, Spirit, about the Page of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, and the Nine of Cups. Yes, I know we said what we said. The Page of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, and the Nine of Cups. Clarify for Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Moving on. So, yeah. So there's some tabs being kept on somebody that you want to come together with, and this could be someone that you see as your wish fulfillment. Clarify the Queen of Cups for Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Clarify this Queen of Cups. Ten of Swords. Clarify the Queen of Cups and the Ten of Swords. Let me see. Okay. So I feel like with this Queen of Cups here, I feel like someone is wanting to give love to you. This could be somebody, you could have water in your chart. This could be the energy that you're carrying. But somebody wants to give love after a period of being hurt. Someone may have had to walk away from somebody, possibly a water sign. I feel like you've had some type of realization or some type of awakening, and you want to reconcile with this person. You want to reconcile with this person. This is going to be very stable and abundant for you if this is the route that you take. And I'm going to pull a card on that. Clarify the Queen of Cups. Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. It's a lot of passion there. A lot of passion. So you may need to tend to your feelings on this one. And not use your head as much. I mean, that don't sound right, but, you know, think with your heart in this situation. Because there is a lot of passion there between you and whoever this other person is. This could be a water sign. Don't have to be. This is someone you definitely known before, or y'all have shared a past life relationship. So this could definitely be someone from your past, if not a past life. I just want to, look, take a minute and look at these two cards. There is love here. Like, I feel like I just keep hearing you're fiending for this person. Like you want this person. So you need to act on it. Alright, so last shuffle. Any more messages, please? Okay. Alright, so yeah, so this is what I have for you, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I'm going to pull a couple more cards for you for clarity or guidance since we've been around a full moon. So I'm going to see what the moon cards have to say to you, what messages they want to relay. For Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini, Spirit, what messages do they need to know? Any guidance or clarity? I already said this. Open up to change. I feel like it's regarding your feelings. I feel like you need to open up more to how you feel and just not what you have in your head. And trust that all will be well. I'll take these. There may be someone that you need to forgive. Possibly a water sign, maybe a Pisces. There's someone that you need to forgive. Believe in your good luck. I feel like something is going to come back together for you, possibly within business and your finances. But yes, believe in your good luck. Breathe through the tension. Somebody is definitely dealing with a water sign. We have a lot of water energy on this table. We got Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Push through any insecurity. So yes, keep pushing, keep going. And I feel like things will definitely come together. Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. And somebody dealing with the Pisces for sure. Got Pisces again. Balance, spirituality, and practicality. So yes, definitely balance your spiritualness, your spiritual side, or what you believe in with your everyday. So you need to find some type of balance. Communication is going to be key. You may need to open up to somebody. There's somebody that you may need to communicate with. This is going to call for you to step out of your comfort zone. You got to be open to change. It's time to do something different. Move past what it was and go towards what it is. So yeah, this is confirmation of what's already on the table. So yes, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini, this is what I have for you for this week. If anything in this video resonated with you, please hit the thumbs up so that my other air signs can get the message. Leave me a comment below if you feel the need. And don't forget to turn your notification bells on so that you will get another video when it's posted. Thank you for tuning in.